here we go. Monday, Monday, I'm so happy it's Monday. Monday, Monday, I'm so happy it's Monday. Move, move, move your body. Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday, today is Monday.
Hello class, good morning. Welcome back to our online class today. It's me again, teacher Jenny. Okay class, welcome back to our class. And now it's Monday. So how's your weekend, everyone? Great. Now, it's time for our lesson. But before that, let's read and spell the day and the date all together. So today is Monday. Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. How about the month? July, J-U-L-Y, July. How about the date today? 27th. And the year is 2020. Now let's read one more time. Monday, July 27th, 2020 or 2020. Okay class, so every Monday, our first session, we are going to study, correct, Treehouse 3. So everyone, please prepare your study materials like Treehouse 3 course book, Treehouse 3 activity book, your notebook, your pencil, and also your eraser. Don't forget your color. Okay, so before we begin to our new lessons, we have too many lessons for today. So let's go back and review our previous lesson from Friday. So do you still remember our lesson last Friday? Okay, let's review that one. Now in here, review lesson, make the candy. I know all of you remember this already, but I'm going to show you the pictures to complete our sentences. Now, this is for the number 1. Okay, you are going to write down your answers into your notebook. This is for number 2. This is number 3. This is number 4, and this is number 5. Alright, everyone, now let's answer all together. So for the number 1, what pictures that you see? Correct, we have turn on and the machine. So let's complete number 1, turn on the machine. Very good. So write the word in here, turn on the machine. Next, number 2, correct, push the button. Push the button. Next, for our number 3, hold the lever. Very good. Hold the lever. Okay. Next, number 4, turn the wheel. Correct. Turn the wheel. Alright. Next, for our last pictures. Very good. Turn off the machine. Turn off the machine. There you are. So well done, everyone. Clap for yourself. Alright, so let's read one more time and spell this all together. Review lesson, make the candy. Okay, class, now let's read one more time and spell all together. Review lesson, make the candy. Turn on the machine. Turn on the machine. Push the button. Push the button. Hold the lever. Hold the lever. Turn the wheel. Turn the wheel. Turn off the machine. Turn off the machine. Alright, so let's spell those pictures that teacher showed to you a while ago. Okay, everyone? So number 1, turn on. Turn on. Machine. Machine. Alright, so this one is turn on and this is machine. Next, number 2, push. 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 Button. 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 Number 3, hold. 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 Lever. Leve. Lever. Next, turn. 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 Wheel. 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 Next, turn off. Turn. Turn off. Machine. 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 There you are, everyone. Clap for yourself. Good job for that. Now let's move on to our new lessons for today. Yes, you heard me right. We have 2 new lessons and 1 from the practice. Now let's proceed to our new lessons, everyone. Our new lessons coming from Unit 9, The Candy Factory. So we are going to study from pages 112 to 114. So 3 pages, everyone. 12, 13, and 14. So we have 3 pages that we are going to study today. So are you ready, everyone? Alright. Now open your book on page 12. Our first lesson is Get the Candy, page 112 with track 62. So open your course book, everyone. Where's your course book? Here. Very good. And open your book on page, correct, 112. So this is what we are going to do. Get the candy. Get the candy. So we are going to listen to the audio track, trace this line, and then say, okay? What is Monty doing? Monty is getting the candy. Look like there's a magic, right? So from here, close, and then going inside the machine, then there you have it. Monty's getting the candies. Okay, so let's start. Listen the audio track. Make sure you follow the instructions, everyone. And okay, everyone, so let's start.
Listen and trace. Wow! Look! We made the candy in the factory. Now, let's get the candy. Then we can bring it to the Candy King. Can you see the kangaroo? Put your pencil near the kangaroo. Trace the lines. Say the word kangaroo. Good. Now, do you see the candy? Trace the other lines. Put your pencil near the candy. Ready? Do it! Trace the lines. Now say the word king. Great job!
Alright class, now let's check your answers. Put your pencil in here and trace the line downward, like that. Another one from kangaroo to the machine. Okay, then here, go to downward again, downward to get the candies. Make sure that you do the same like teacher. Well done everyone. Tafarsa! Alright, so that is our first lesson for today. Now, let's move on to our second lesson, which is coming from... Yes, you're correct. New lesson or lesson number 2. Go to the Candy King on page 113. Yes, now let's check this page, everyone. Oh, it's very colorful, right? So this is our second lesson. Go to the Candy King. So you are going to open your book on page 113 with audio track 63. Yes. What we are going to do, you know already, right? You are going to listen to the audio track, say and add the stickers to complete the letter. So, all of you know this one already. So, what letter is this, everyone? Big letter K, correct. You have to complete the stickers, write down or put in this picture. So take out the stickers at the back of your book and stick in here. Now this one is small letter K. Small letter K. So take out the stickers and then put it in here. Okay, everyone? Now let's start our second track. Let's start.
Listen and add the stickers. Hi everyone. Let's go with the kangaroo to the Candy King. Oh, look over there. I can see the big letter K near the king. Do you see the big letter K? Yeah, that's it. Say the letter. Big K. Good. Now add the sticker. Say the sound K. Now say the word K, king. Okay. Now look at the small letter K. Do you see it? Say the letter. Small K. Good. Now add the sticker. Say the sound K. Now say the word kangaroo. Good. You did it. Great. Let's go meet the Candy King.
Alright everyone, now that do the same with teacher. So letter K or big letter K, sound K. Again, big K, sound K. Well done. How about small letter K, sound K. Small letter K, sound K. Very good. Well done, everyone. Love yourself. Alright, so it's time for our break time. We will continue our lesson in our second session. See you again in our second session, everyone. Bye!